Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the world of gadgets that don't just sit on your desk, but completely change how you live, work, play, and create? Today, we're unlocking 11 mind-blowing tech gadgets that are redefining the future, right now. From futuristic wearables to game-changing creative tools, from smart home companions to adorable robot pets, this is the ultimate tech feast. 1. Ferrofluid Speaker, the music you can see. Let's start with something that looks like it came out of a sci-fi movie, the Ferrofluid Speaker. This isn't just about listening to your favorite music, it's about watching it come alive. Inside these mesmerizing speakers is ferrofluid, a magnetic liquid that dances and morphs in sync with your tunes. The result? Hypnotic, living sound waves moving right before your eyes. Imagine hosting a party where your speakers don't just play music, they put on a light show of liquid art. And don't let the visuals fool you. These things pump out serious sound quality. They're equal parts art installation, conversation starter, and high-fidelity audio system. If you're a music lover who wants to go beyond earbuds and playlists, this gadget is the definition of unforgettable. 2. The Q-Box, portable laser engraver. Next up is something for creators, makers, and DIY enthusiasts. The Q-Box portable laser engraver. Think of it as carrying a full design studio in the palm of your hand. This compact powerhouse lets you engrave on wood, leather, metal, you name it, directly from your phone or laptop. The interface is smooth, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. Whether you're customizing gifts, designing your own art, or even running a small business, the Q-Box makes the process seamless. Users rave about how simple it is to get started. You just set it down, select your design, and watch as your vision is etched with precision. It's not just a gadget, it's a tool that turns creativity into reality. 3. Pico AI Robot Companion. Now let's meet your new digital best friend, Pico. This sleek, tiny AI companion doesn't just respond to commands, it learns, adapts, and grows with you. From organizing your schedule to playing music, delivering weather updates, and even cracking the occasional joke, Pico is equal parts assistant and buddy. But here's the kicker. It learns. Over time, Pico understands your preferences, routines, and quirks, tailoring its help to match your lifestyle. At home, in the office, or during study sessions, it integrates seamlessly with your devices and makes your environment feel straight out of a tech utopia. This isn't just a smart gadget, it's a personalized sidekick for the AI era. 4. InnoPower Solar Panels. Sustainability meets innovation with InnoPower solar panels. Forget the clunky, inefficient models of the past. These are sleek, durable, and designed to squeeze every ounce of energy out of the sun. InnoPower has built a reputation for cutting-edge technology and rugged reliability. These panels don't just lower your electricity bills, they give you power independence. And when the grid goes down, your home keeps running. Users love them not just for the savings, but for the peace of mind. Owning InnoPower panels isn't just about tech, it's about stepping into a greener, brighter future. 5. Tourbox Elite Creative Controller. Calling all creatives, designers, editors, and digital artists, this one's for you. Meet the Tourbox Elite. At first glance, it looks like a compact box with dials and buttons. But in your hands, it becomes a magic wand for creativity. Fully customizable, it integrates with Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere Pro, and more, letting you adjust brushes, timelines, and effects without fumbling through menus. Sure, there's a learning curve, but once you master it, your workflow transforms. It's not just faster, it's smoother, more intuitive, and more fun. The Tourbox Elite isn't just a tool, it's a secret weapon that makes your creativity flow like never before. 6. Adjustable Digital Hourglass Timer. Let's shift gears into productivity. The adjustable digital hourglass timer is a sleek, futuristic tool that makes time management almost fun. Forget boring plastic timers. This one is stylish and fully customizable. Whether you want a short 10-minute sprint or a deep focus 45-minute session, it adapts to your needs. People worldwide swear by how it helps combat procrastination and break big tasks into manageable chunks. Whether you're studying, working, or trying to stay off your phone, this gadget makes focus feel effortless. 7. Snow AI Finger Mouse. Here's a game changer, the Snow AI Finger Mouse. Slip it onto your finger and suddenly any surface becomes a digital playground. Whether you're working, gaming, or presenting, this wearable gadget replaces the traditional mouse with precision and comfort. But it doesn't stop there. It uses AI to learn your habits and adapt to your style. That means smoother navigation, intuitive gestures, and less strain on your wrist. For designers, gamers, and multitaskers, this isn't just convenient, it's revolutionary. 8. Pimax VR Headset. Virtual reality has come a long way, and Pimax is leading the charge. These VR headsets deliver jaw-dropping visuals with ultra-high resolution and a massive field of view. But it's not just about the graphics. Pimax focuses on comfort, letting you dive into long VR sessions without fatigue. Whether you're gaming, training, or exploring virtual worlds, this headset feels as close to real life as VR can get. And it's more than a product, it's a community. Pimax users share feedback, ideas, and experiences, pushing VR forward together. If you've been waiting for the moment VR truly feels immersive, this is it. 9. Sprite Drone. Take to the skies with the Sprite Drone, a futuristic flying marvel that balances compact design with powerful performance. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, it captures breathtaking shots from perspectives you'd never see otherwise. From serene sunsets to adrenaline-pumping action, the Sprite Drone makes every flight cinematic. With intelligent flight modes and user-friendly controls, it's accessible to beginners while still thrilling for pros. Users can't stop raving about how it's transformed their photography and filmmaking. The sky is no longer the limit. It's just the beginning. 10. Mini Pupper Robot Dog. Now for something guaranteed to melt your heart. The Mini Pupper Robot Dog. This isn't just a robotic pet. It's a bundle of joy. Despite its small size, Mini Pupper is bursting with personality, playful antics, and expressive movements. From zoomies to tail wags, it feels alive. Owners rave about how quickly it learns and how fun it is to train. More than a gadget, it becomes part of the family. Whether you're tech-obsessed or just love adorable companions, this little bot is pure happiness in motion. 11. Luxy MX1 Plus Smart Gadgets. Finally, we have the Luxy MX1 Plus series, a lineup of smart living gadgets designed to make your lifestyle smoother, smarter, and more connected. From smart lights and security cameras to wireless headphones, power banks, and fitness trackers, Luxy MX1 Plus covers it all. The design is sleek, the integration seamless, and the possibilities endless. Control your entire home from your phone, stay powered on the go, and elevate your everyday routines. Luxy MX1 Plus isn't just about convenience, it's about transforming your environment into a tech-powered paradise. And there you have it, 11 mind-blowing gadgets that aren't just products, but experiences, companions, and game changers. From speakers that let you see your music to drones that turn the sky into your canvas, these devices remind us just how far technology has come, and how much more is possible. So, which one blew your mind the most? The Ferrofluid Speaker's liquid art, the AI-powered finger mouse, or maybe the adorable Mini Pupper? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, share this with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe so you never miss our next deep dive into the future of gadgets. Until then, stay curious, stay inspired, and stay tech-powered.